If you sell home improvement products, then Home Depot is the best choice to sell on. This is one of the most well-known home improvement chains in the USA. And it has a huge customer base. But many sellers find it difficult to sell on this platform. In this video, I will share everything you need to know, like how to create an account, how to list the item, and some of crucial tips to succeed on this platform. So stay tuned. This is Home Depot. If you look at the categories, they are quite selective. Not every type of seller get to sell here. So first thing you need to do is to make sure your product fits into their categories. Now the question is how you can sell on this platform. Okay, if I click on this, there are two kinds of seller: merchandising supplier and non-merchant suppliers. You have to be a supplier here. This is similar to the Amazon vendor program. You sell products to Home Depot and Home Depot becomes the retailer and sells those products directly to customers. Anyway, you need to apply. And you have to fill up this application form. Put your company details such as name, US vendor number, what type of seller you are. Are you an agent, distributor or manufacturer? Fill in that. And fill this if you are a small or diverse supplier. Do you have the ability to dropship? Now fill the company address. Next you need to fill contact information. Make sure you read all the legal agreement properly. Once you fill out the form and submit it, Home Depot will review your application. This process may take 60 days. And if approved, Home Depot will send you a registration key. This is your golden ticket to their supplier portal. From there, you will complete the onboarding process. That's where you will set up your account with details like your bank info, tax ID and all the stuff. And if you are a non-merchant selling general supplies, IT services like staffing or technologies, maintenance, custodial services, financial services or marketing services, you need to fill up a form. Click on this to download the form. Now you need to give information such as company name, are your company public or private, your street, city, state, your zip code, your website address, your annual revenue and all this. After saving the file, you need to send it via email. Click on this to send. Home Depot gonna review your application and let you know. If you do not hear back after 90 days, you may resubmit your request. Now let me show you how you can list your item on Home Depot. Well, the process might seem difficult to you. However, I will explain each step easy way. After logging into your account, this is how it looks. If you have variation, first you have to create super SKU and then have to create new super SKU item. If you list a single product, then no need to create a super SKU. Only go with the create new super SKU items. The process is pretty much the same. Well, in our case, we have variations, so I am showing you the variation. However, click this. Now, first step is to select categories. Okay, done. Now need to add product name within 120 characters. Put your brand name here. In our case, this is not applicable. Home Depot is interlined with this product, which means they are responsible for ensuring good comply law and pay US import duties and taxes. So I am selecting yes. If it is no in your case, then go with no. Now select create new super SKU item. Select the category again, put the product name here and then manufacturing model and GTIN here. And next, enter your UPC code. Alright, I know you got the process. Now fill this section according to you. Next, click Create Super SKU Items. Once you do this, your SKU will be added in the Enrich section. Now go to the Enrich section and then find the SKU item you create for the further process. Now fill in the core attribute section. This is manufacturer part number and then manufacturer brand name. Alright, now fill up the child safety and protection section. Read all and make sure you fill this properly. After that, click save and submit. Now again, find the SKU item from the Enrich section. Now you need to fill your supply chain related information here in this section, like your packaging detail here, what is the height, weight, etc, etc. Do it according to your information. Now save it. Every time you fill up any section and then save it, for the next step you need to go to the Enrich section. Now in this section, add your images. After that, save the information. So how you can increase your sales on this platform? The first thing is that your listing should be properly optimized. Make sure your title and description are well keyword rich and follow the guideline to create engaging title. Highlight important product details and features in the description section. Keep in mind that your description should be clear and readable. This will help grab the buyer's attention and improve your chances to making a sale. Maintain image quality. A professional main images change the game. Make sure product details are visible in your image. SEO can help improve your product's visibility in search result, but image play a crucial role in grabbing attention and increase your click-through rate. Pricing is another important factor in boosting your sales. As a supplier on Home Depot, you might not have full control over the pricing, but you can always find a way to stand out. Keep an eye on your competitors' pricing strategies and if possible, try to offer product at a slightly lower price than your competitors. However, you can give discount on Home Depot. For that, you need to write an email to the service team mentioning the concern. Write a proper in-detail email that how much discount you want to give. They will review your email. Another great way is to run advertising on Home Depot. You can run a PPC ad. There are two types of PPC ads, sponsored brand ads and sponsored product ads. Once you have picked your best-selling items and organized them by type, it's time to upload them and start your campaign. For the PPC, here is the quick tip. Keep your campaign category specific. Don't mix different type of products in one campaign. Set your goals clearly and aim to work with Home Depot algorithm to get more traffic. To stand out, avoid starting with the lowest bid. Instead, bid 50 cents to $1 higher than suggested minimum to get your ads noticed. You can always adjust your bids later based on how much traffic you are getting. Follow these steps and you will be on your way to running successful campaign on Home Depot. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Still, if you have any questions or confusion, let us know in the comment below, mentioning your concern and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.